looking for a simple way to upgrade the comfort and utility of your vehicle's interior, today's accessory could be a game changer. We're reviewing a car center console cover with armrest cushion and storage pockets, designed to protect, organize, and elevate your daily driving experience. This product is a universal car center console cover and armrest cushion, typically made with soft microfiber leather and memory foam padding to deliver both comfort and practical protection. It also adds extra storage with built-in side pockets for easy access to small items like phones, cards, and keys. The center console and armrest area of your vehicle sees a lot of use. Whether you're resting your arm on long drives, reaching for your phone, or accidentally spilling drinks and crumbs. Without protection, this area can quickly show wear and tear, scratches, or dirt build-up. Updating your console with a cover helps preserve your car's interior while adding comfort and organization. Imagine hopping into your car with multiple errands lined up: coffee, the gym, groceries, or rideshare pickups. Your console area inevitably collects cups, trash, keys, and chargers. With this console cover in place, spills and scratches are less likely, and your armrest stays cushioned rather than worn down over time. This makes it ideal for daily commuters, family cars, or anyone valuing interior upkeep. Long drives can be taxing on your arms and shoulders if your center console is hard or uneven. The added padding of a console cover not only protects but also reduces pressure on your arm, making driving more comfortable, especially on highway journeys or extended trips. This accessory is perfect for anyone who wants to protect their interior investment, add comfort, and boost organization without spending big on professional upgrades. It's great for daily drivers, road trippers, parents, rideshare drivers, and anyone who values both comfort and organization in their vehicle. In summary, a car center console cover with added padding and storage pockets offers a cost-effective way to protect your interior, improve comfort, and keep essentials within reach. If you're ready to upgrade your cabin's comfort and utility, check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical automotive gear reviews.